Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Dwayne Realistic Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Dwayne Realistic Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's a very XL size and therefore is not recommended for beginners and is recommended for advanced users or experts. Now, if you're looking for a realistic experience, then this XL vibrator is perfect for you. This vibrator has a vane shaft which is textured for extra stimulation during use, has a firm yet flexible shaft. It features a realistic ball sack and a rounded swollen head at the top just there for a very realistic experience. The material also feels super soft, realistic, and as mentioned, it's flexible as well to help you with your experience. It features a strong suction cup so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. Now the vibrator has 10 different vibration settings, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns. The Dwayne has the remote control you can use, so it's perfect for couples as well. To turn on, push and hold down for 2 seconds and you will feel a buzz. Press the top button and the vibrations have begun. To change the vibration settings, click on the top button and find out which vibration is best for you. To turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds on the bottom button and it's now off. The remote control is rechargeable using your USB charging cable provided. Gently slot it in as demonstrated and it will charge for you. Once you're finished with the charging process, gently remove and it's ready to go. When using the Dwayne Realistic Vibrator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean it after every use. And for that, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Dwayne Realistic Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.